Nanga branch comment.
What do you mean?
Branch can is the smallest organ.
I can do the interview. We are not interviewing.
I just want to verify something. Because these are members that were dragging the national secretary. You are not dragging the national secretary. My friend, what's your name? Timothy. Who took it out?
George Compound.
And you branch?
Branch? MMD.
Branch area. Which area branch?
George Compound.
Branch kumwane tikambira mawadi kuli
hivyo vantenga je sinilibevo bandira MMD
wakutenga kuti
kwa George kwa mimi vandani wachipasha
wakulipira zinga
sasa pesa vipi
wakumwesa
pali wachipesa
manyo
nima okay every time timaenda maiba time stien so mlipa tenga
Nienda
timabwera every time kule MMD so mlipa time stibwera
so but we support a move.
They pesa program manja so that
are you a member of the MMD?
program ya channel
Card number?
There's a program ya Bwanji there.
Program.
Kaiwa kuchitira explain kuli program ya so. Chindo chitava so lelo wakuza nati Bwanji program ya Bwanji.
Program ya tuuza kamba tieni mayufi. Tengani mamoto.
Right.
And program inaweza panga. Tutapeza katifita zwati. Tibwera ku mena osechani ya MMD. Wantesta bwerera sunga funse abantu just because wakutenga. Ufunga face wandiona bamisi. Azo maziwa every time mainda.
But pen mwenzo wadonsa wakachingo mwenzo kambati timbera njala mama dira ndalama. So nanga chapwela mo Bwanji cho kambati onani mwemwina Festina.
Chapwela mo Bwanji. Chati weva ina Festina. The problem yakuti vaja vantu vanopezekera tabwera kunani? Tabwera kuntafika muno mu chani mene house ya MMD. And by the time tamwemekeza mali result azimali tsunga shiremo eka vintu vamene akalibuka uzana ngona sasa tisapeza kama nitavira mauders
chairman wa group yako ninda chipasha nda
sana msinizo
so chairman wa ndena enzamletani kuno enzamletani kuno ndani
matereza kuno chairman
bezomza kubwa kule MMD kusachana
bakamba tikuli
mwenzi mwazi ati mzapo omenya abantu
sitamenya abantu
mzadoza abantu mzachusa abantu mu office
mwezi mwagira mungasi munaziba timabwero
bashosa
Ewa chipasha.
No more, Ama, no more. I'm waiting.
Our Father, I want to submit MMD into your hands because you alone, Father, knows at what stage. Father, thank you even for our president and seek you, God, to give him the wisdom that he needs to provide this part to the higher stages.
Good afternoon, members of the press. 2 weeks ago, members of Parliament came to my office to petition for the immediate removal of our National Secretary, Major Kachingwe. They charged that his conduct and statements in support of the Patriotic Front and Mr. Sata were detrimental to the life of our party, and that the officer was highly compromised in that big office. We decided to have a meeting with the top 5 members of our party to review the petition that was given, and it was decided by the members, the top 5, which is the chairman, the 2 vice presidents, myself, and the treasurer in that meeting, Honorable Mbola Kulima. I formed a 3-man committee to go and speak to Mr. Kachingwe about his conduct. It was recommended to me that we needed to take immediate action to remove Honorable Kachingwe from that position, because his continued stay in office was compromising the opposition party Movement for Multi-Party Democracy. I called Mr. Kachingwe to my home, and I was the deliverer of bad news to him, that his continued stay in office was not tenable, because the levels of confidence in him by general membership of the party had extremely been compromised, mostly because of his own statements in which he was praising and glorifying the ruling party instead of his own political party. So today, he further continued in the misconduct that we are against. He single-handedly wrote a letter to the president, which is a gross subordination, and said he had expelled the president from the party.